Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for October 3rd, 2019. Next Thursday, I'll go back to St. Helena Hospital, and apparently in the cath lab they're going to do the coiling on that artery. I don't know what to say. I would have figured that my cardiologist would have done that when she had me in the cath lab last month. But then again, they talk about having. This is a continuation of Caffeine BS for the 3rd of October, 2019. I was talking about the procedure. I mean, I would have been sure that Dr. Divakaruni would have done that in the cath lab, on the cath lab table, because she's done that kind of stuff before, twice. Twice she had me on the cath lab table. She had everything in place, and she was able to say, "Give me 2 number 3s and an implanting chart." I figured, well, it's not something she could do going up the aorta, but they tell me today that she is. But then, why 3 other doctors? What? This is the second continuation of Caffeine BS. Like I was saying, it can't be something really simple that she can just go up the aorta and do it, or she would have done it. And they're talking about 3 other doctors. I have a feeling I'm going to tell them, knock me out. I mean, I'm a good patient and all that. I know I can lock up them voluntaries and not move, but I'm going to tell them, knock me out. Yeah. Interventional cardiologist. I hear the name heart surgeon. I've heard a name connected with vascular, and I forget what they said the 4th one does. Yeah. Maybe it'd be better to just crack my chest. Anyway, I'm going to go for now because my head's going to explode if I try and record it anymore. I get one more bloody interruption.